Hi everybody. Today's our topic is representation of rational numbers on number line. In before classes, we learned about rational numbers. What are the rational numbers? So and definition and properties of rational numbers. These all we learned in previous video. So now we are going to discuss representation of rational numbers on number line. This representation of numbers on a number line we learned in 7th class also. So in that class we represented integers on number line, but in this video we are going to represent rational numbers on number line. So let us see how can you represent rational numbers on number line. Suppose we know the number line of integers, so that is in middle we have 0, right side all positive numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. On left side we have -1, -2, -3, -4, -5 and so on. This is representation of integers on number line. But we have to represent rational numbers. What are the rational numbers? Suppose I want to represent 1 by 2. How can you represent 1 by 2? Where should 1 by 2 lies on the number line? So it lies between 0 and 1. So it is the middle to 0 and 1. So 0 కి 1 కి మిడిల్లో ఉంటుంది ఇది. సో మిడిల్లో అంటే ఇక్కడ ఇగో ఈ మధ్యలో ఉంటుంది. సో దట్ ఈస్ 1 by 2. సపోజ్ 5 by 2. Where should be the 5 by 2? So 5 by 2 means actually 5 by 2. 2 2s are 4. That is 1 remainder. That means 2 1 by 2. 2 1 by 2. That means 2 and half. 2 and half means it should be lies between 2 and 3. In between 2 and 3, that is 5 by 2, like this. Okay, suppose -7 by 5. Suppose -7 by 2. So 7 by 2 is 3 and half. 7 by 2 is 3 and half. That is -3 and half. -3 and half is lies between 3 and 4. So it is -7 by 2. Like this we can represent rational numbers on number line. Here we have only halves. 7 by 2 means it is exactly lies between -3 and -4. Here half is lies between 0 and 1. 5 by 2 it is 2 and half. 2 and half means it lies between, it is middle to 2 and 3. Suppose if we have -13 by 5. Suppose I have -13 by 5. Okay. Now I am going to represent -13 by 5 on number line. To represent -13 by 5 on number line, first of all you have to decide where the -13 by 5 should be lies. So the -13 by 5 అనేది ఎక్కడ ఉంటుంది? In between what integers? So ఇది ఏ ఇంటీజర్స్ మధ్యలో ఉంటుంది అనేది మనం డిసైడ్ చేయాలి. To decide that, how to divide 13 by 5. 5 2s are 10. So it gives remainder as 3. So it is 2 whole 3 by 5. So that means 2 whole 3 by 5 means it lies after 2. That means it lies between -2 and 3. So you have to write. So first I am writing. So 0 here, 1. So -1, -2 and -3. So it lies between -2 and 3. So here take some more here, -2. So this denominator, so where it is lies, it lies between -2 and -3. Now So this denominator tells what number of equal parts a unit has to divide. సో ఈ యూనిట్ పార్ట్ని ఎన్ని ఈక్వల్ పార్ట్స్గా డివైడ్ చేయాలనేది 5 చెప్తుంది. ఓకే, దిస్ డినామినేటర్ టెల్స్ వాట్ నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ ఈక్వల్ పార్ట్స్ ఈచ్ యూనిట్ హ్యాస్ టు డివైడెడ్. ఈ ఈ యూనిట్ అనేది ఈ యూనిట్స్, దీస్ ఆర్ యూనిట్ డిస్టెన్స్, దిస్ యూనిట్ హ్యాస్ టు డివైడ్ ఇంటూ 5 ఈక్వల్ పార్ట్స్. ఓకే, సో ఫస్ట్ యూ హ్యావ్ టు డివైడ్ ఇంటూ 5 ఈక్వల్ పార్ట్స్. 1 2 3 4 and 5. So this is, so -2 right. Okay, so now we have to write -2 as denominator as 5. So by taking what numerator we will get -2? By taking -10. -2ను డినామినేటర్ 5 ఉండేటట్టుగా రాయాలి. డినామినేటర్ 5 ఉండాలి అంటే the numerator should be -10. 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10 కాబట్టి. Then after, so going to left side, so this should be increased, 11 by 5, -12 by 5, this is -13 by 5 and -14 by 5, so it is -15 by 5. See here, 5 1s are 5, 5 3s are 15, we'll get again -3. Here also 5 1s are 5 2s are, we'll get -2. Now numerator represents what is now. So we required -13 by 5. So where is the -13 by 5? This is the -13 by 5. Now we represented -13 by 5 on number line. Like this we can represent any number, any rational number on number line. So you have to try some more rational numbers. How can you represent -13 by 5? సో ఇంతకుముందు 1/2 ఉన్నప్పుడు ఇది మిడిల్లో ఉంటుంది కాబట్టి ఆ రెండింటి మధ్యలో పాయింట్ పెట్టేసి మార్క్ చేసినాం. ఇలా -13 by 5 ఇలాంటివి ఉన్నప్పుడు ఎలా రిప్రజెంట్ చేయాలో ఒకసారి చూద్దాం. లెట్ us see. Suppose it is a number line. So first of all you have to decide where should be it lies. ఇది ఎక్కడ ఉంటుంది అంటే ఏ నెంబర్స్ మధ్యలో, ఏ ఇంటీజర్స్ మధ్యలో ఉంటుందో మనం ఫస్ట్ డిసైడ్ చేయాలి. -13 by 5 అనేది ఏ ఇంటీజర్స్ మధ్యలో ఉంటుందో చూసుకోవాలి. ఇక్కడ చూసినట్టుగా 7/2 ఇట్ ఈస్ -3.5. -7/2 means -3.5. 3.5 means it lies between 3 and 4. 2.5 means it lies between 2 and 3. Like this, first of all you have to decide the position of -13 by 5. That means it is where should it lies between. So ఇది ఏ ఇంటీజర్స్ మధ్యలో అది మనం ఫస్ట్ డిసైడ్ చేయాలి. ఎలా? 13 by 5. 13 by 5 means 5 2s are 10, remainder 3. That means 2 whole 3 by 5. 2 whole 3 by 5. That means it is more than 2. So that means it comes after 2. Comes after 2 means it lies between 2 and 3. It is minus. So it lies at left side to 0. So I am writing here 0. This is 1, 2. Okay. 0. Now it is -1, -2, -3 and -4. So first of all, see the denominator. What is the denominator? Denominator is 5. So denominator tells number of equal parts a unit has been divided. So the denominator tells number of equal parts a unit has to divided. ఈ యూనిట్ని అంటే -2 నుంచి -3 వరకు ఉన్న ఈ యూనిట్ని ఎన్ని పార్ట్స్ డివైడ్ చేయాలనేది డినోట్ చేస్తుంది. ఓకే, సో యూ హ్యావ్ టు డివైడ్ ఇంటూ 5 ఈక్వల్ పార్ట్స్. సో దట్ ఈస్ 1 2 3 4 and 5. So this is -10/5. So 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10. This is -11/5 and it is -12/5, -13/5, -14/5 and -15/5. This numerator tells what part we have to consider. So this is -13/5. So where is the -13/5? This is the -13/5. Okay, so like this we can mark a rational number on number line.